Hello, good afternoon. So, this time we are going to talk about zoonosis and nosocomial. Zoonosis are simply these diseases that infect animals but can be transmitted from the animal to the human. These zoonosis can be transmitted in various ways. Number one, direct contact with these animals. Number two can be through bites of these animals. Number three can be through eating unboiled meat. And by unboiled meat, I'm not meaning anyway that people who eat raw flesh, but I'm not meaning people who eat raw flesh of animals. I mean these people who eat half cooked meat. But that could be the best explanation. When you eat half cooked meat, you're exposing your body to much of these infections, the zoonosis. And also some tissues of certain animals, however much you boil it, once they are containing that infection, you can easily contract it. And also people who don't like who like taking raw milk and pasteurized milk, you're getting at a higher risk of taking these zoonosis. Zoonosis could include diseases like rabies, and rabies is got from either a cat or a dog bite. It can easily transmit unto you, so make sure your dogs are vaccinated to protect yourself and also the community around you. We have anthrax. That one usually affects cattle, and it wherever it is an area, there is a restriction that is put onto that meat, just because it can simply be transmitted from the animal's tissue to you, the consumer. Then we have Marburg. This Marburg is caused by Marburg virus, and this is usually in monkey tissues. And recently, I just heard of the news that there are some people who consume monkey meat. Please, you are at a higher risk of getting that disease, and upon getting it, the transmission is usually very easy to others. Then we have brucellosis. Brucellosis, this one, brucellosis and tuberculosis are usually commonly transmitted through milk. That unboiled milk, if you take the contaminated milk from the animal, then you are at a higher risk of getting the disease, or even you contract the disease. So from there, I talked of nosocomial. Nosocomial, these are diseases that are contracted at a hospital area. For example, you can get them from surgical wounds. They could be UTIs. They could be skin infections. I mentioned but a few, but they're basically these diseases that we are going to contract when you come to our hospital area. Maybe if you delay there, maybe if it is due to carelessness of the health workers, maybe if you do not protect yourself, maybe it's because of overcrowding of the patients. So that is it all about zoonosis and nosocomial. Thank you.